Hi, I'm Neeraj and I'm on a side quest streak where I'll be doing one side quest a week for a whole year. Week 3 side quest was to bake a cake. But for who? Meet Push and Kajol, maniac trainers, absolute pookies outside the gym, and two of my closest friends. Push took the leap recently and proposed to Kajol, which was such a wholesome moment. So, to add a little more sweetness to their celebration and make them gain the calories that they burnt, I learned baking with the help of Drishti, the founder of Kara. And here's how that went. So, I am here with.
Drishti, hi. I am the owner of a patisserie called Kara, and we are an online cloud kitchen. And today we're gonna make a very cute cake.
Yeah, like she said, we're making a cake. I'll be surprising my friends with it.
So first, what we'll do is we'll decide how we want the cake to look. Of course, because it has to look cute, and
Right, of
who
course.
doesn't want a cute cake?
Of course.
After that, we're gonna start baking, and then layering the dessert, and then we'll make you do the finishing because you want to make
Right.
it special for them.
I think we should probably look for a few designs then.
Yeah,
Maybe we can
I think we can get
with that.
started with the design.
Yeah. How about this one?
No, this one.
Oh, this looks good. That's the one. What's the first step then?
We shall start
Okay.
in the kitchen.
One eternity later.
Okay, we start.
Yeah. Tell me, what do we start with? How are we going about with this?
How are you gonna go about a cake? You're just gonna like mix things.
I mean, but you need to tell me what we need to mix, right?
Okay, fine. Come. We're gonna
First step
Put-
one is milk and.
curd.
Okay.
Put in this. Here, use this.
I need to
That never happens. That never happens. But legit has never happened. It's the camera, guys. It's making me do things.
Nobody saw that. Nothing happened.
Yeah,
It's
of course.
It's just milk and curd.
It's just three cameras looking at me at this point.
It's just milk and curd, friends.
Take mix.
Oh, I'm supposed to mix it first. Okay.
Aren't you
For how
gonna
long?
like make the cake?
For how long?
Done.
That's all.
I don't know what you were expecting out of this, but okay. Okay, now you have to break 2 eggs into it.
That I can do. That's one egg,
Not bad,
See?
you're killing it.
no shells.
I mean, at the end of the day, it's your friends who are going to be eating it even if they're not
Wow. Guys, I'm going to make sure that it turns
it's
out
not
fine.
me. It's not me. It's him. He's doing it. I have video proof that you did it.
Yeah, there you go.
You
Egg
took a lot
number
of
2.
pressure breaking 2 eggs.
I needed to be careful. Was that good though?
Yeah.
So I can become master chef now.
You're joining?
I mean, I would love to someday. Okay, so I'm supposed to be mixing it now.
Yeah.
Is there a technique to this?
No, just mix. You have to like break
That's-
that yolk.
Yeah, it'll get there. Don't worry. I've made an omelette before. I know how to break the yolk.
खराब हो जाएगा मैं माँ अम्मा बहन पे आ जाऊंगा मैं इनकी
That's done.
No, that was easy. I thought it'll be more effort.
No, it's done. Stop, it's done.
Okay.
Now put all of that in this.
What was the white powder that you put before this? Was it a secret ingredient?
Baking has no secret ingredient. It's just the magic of your hands. And that white color powder is called maida. What is magic about maida?
I was expecting it to be something else. That was just a joke. Kids, don't do drugs and stay in school. Now we just pour it into the mold. Is that what we're doing?
Yes, but your mold needs support.
Hi, we have a guest. Can you introduce yourself,
Hello,
please?
I'm Arjun Gupta. Drishti's +1.
Just give yourself a title, yeah. In the kitchen, what do you do as a software
I'm
engineer?
a taster,
Taste.
official tasting partner.
That you can be.
How good or bad it turned
Also,
out.
his friend proposed to his girlfriend
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
His friend proposed to his friend's girlfriend. Makes sense, not his girlfriend.
I mean, he
But
proposed
to
to
his own girlfriend.
Yeah.
So he's making a cake to tell them congratulations. तेरे दोस्त ऐसा करते? Congratulations cake बनाते तेरे लिए?
I was here to bake a cake, but I might have baked a collation state. Anyway, now that we had the batter ready, it was time for the mold to oil up. Is there anything is too much oil?
Yeah,
Okay, how do I know I've put too much oil?
if it's dripping down.
Seems to be dripping down.
No, it's fine.
And just like that, our cake was ready to go into the oven. While we waited for the cake to be ready, I figured now would be a good time to know Drishti better. Drishti, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself? You said
Okay.
you're a baker.
Yeah.
How did you get started?
Okay, so basically, I was working in Marriott in
Mhm.
Whitefield,
Mm-hmm.
and COVID happened. So post that, and COVID started on say March 23rd, if I'm not wrong, and I'm very clear about the date because my birthday was the next week,
Mm-hmm.
and everything was shut. And the basic thing you have on a birthday is a cake, right?
Right.
So I actually wanted to go into Indian cooking and all of that, and then came my birthday, and I was like, listen, I can't have my birthday without anything. So with the most basic things available, there was no chocolate available. Okay, so that removes half of your
Right,
that
of
brings
course.
half of your problems
Of
on.
course.
There were no fruits. There
Oh,
was
wow.
nothing.
No fruit cake
no.
as well then. Uh-huh.
So you hardly had like flour, butter, sugar is what I got. I was like, okay, I can make a vanilla cake out of this
Right.
at least. And then there's this one fruit vendor selling muskmelon and watermelon. The first fruit I found, I'm like, please take it. And I know watermelon cake sounds pathetic, but I needed to cut something
Right.
and it worked. So that was the first cake I made, and that looked extremely pretty. So then, we like my mom put it on her story, and then my neighbor was like, "It's my son's birthday, and the next day after
Oh.
tomorrow, can you make something for him?" So it was basically a trial and error that just started and just built into a community in a
Right.
way.
Right.
Because then people were like, it's this person's birthday, that person's birthday, and they also realized that it's my practice era because I just started baking. Like my birthday cake was the first cake I ever baked.
That's very interesting. So you started off with the intent of learning Indian food,
Yeah.
but because COVID happened and you wanted to make a cake for yourself,
Yeah,
you
I
got
just
into
shifted.
this.
Yeah.
So you pretty much taught yourself how to
Self,
bake.
yeah.
Interesting.
Because in college when we had bakery class, I would just like say, okay, fine, bakery, no, khatam karo, isko mat karo. Now, I didn't even write notes then, and now I'm like, you should have just studied that subject. So now I had to like re-study the whole thing. So after COVID got over, we had to go back to college, and then these guys would still call me up saying, you know what, Drishti, are you free? Do you want to like do something? And
Right.
the thing that happened with me was they gave me space for creativity. Okay, so whoever came realized that there's limited resources
Right.
because of COVID and stuff. So
Right.
whatever you can do, how much ever you can do. So when you have that freedom of creativity, saying this is what we want, do whatever you can give it.
Right.
So
Right. Right.
the output just came 10 times better always.
Interesting. So it's
Still
like
have-
a blank canvas for you, and you're just
Yeah.
painting on
Yeah.
it. That's interesting.
Now there are people who come to me even today
Mhm.
saying, you know what, this is my budget,
Mhm.
make it as crazy as possible. So when you want to go as crazy and you have a budget,
Mhm.
you will still do a little more than the budget only because you
Right.
want an output to look that
Right.
way. And I came back. I still worked in one or two places because I needed the
Mhm.
experience.
Mhm.
But what you do in your kitchen, the way you learn by yourself is just
Right. Of course. I mean, until you
Yeah.
don't really get your hands dirty, you're not really learning
Yeah.
anything in the process.
so.
Just curious, have you ever felt like going back to your teachers from college and be like, I never attended your
I've
classes,
done that.
but now I can bake cakes better than you?
I've done that. So one of my mentor, okay,
Uh-huh.
he was my mentor and he was my bakery faculty.
Mhm.
So towards the final year, I had like a little interest towards it, but not like a lot. Okay, so like one or two classes I used to
Right.
go, and he was a pretty chill faculty. I went back to him and I told him, you know what, I've started baking, and he looks at me saying, what?
Have they tasted your cakes though?
No,
You should probably do that the next time. Just
I
go
can't
rub
take
it
a
in their
cake till
face.
Manipal; it'll die on the way.
Oh, we studied in Manipal. You should have led with that. I thought it was somewhere near.
Yeah,
Okay,
I studied
fair
in
enough.
Manipal near Udupi, so
Right.
I was there
Close
for
to the
3 years.
beach. Great place, by the way. The cake was well baked and said it wanted to rest for a while. So we got started with the frosting. So you heat up the cream until it's boiling and then you put it into the chocolate
That's it. The end.
and the chocolate just melts.
Yeah.
Wow, that's magic.
I like how you're waiting for 4 complicated steps to come and you're like, wait, is that the end?
Baking can't be this easy. This I'll let the master do the job.
You just have to mix. You literally just have to mix.
Nah, I mean, I was talking about the pouring part. I
Oh.
don't want to burn myself.
Are you serious?
Wait, so if I put hot cream on any kind of chocolate, it'll melt?
Yeah.
That's how science works. Am I killing it or what? Damn, I'm good at this.
Here, taste. Works.
I think I'm ready to be a master chef now.
तेरे को क्या है बहुत मजाक लग रहा है तेरे को ये सब चीज
The cakes are finally ready.
You wanna try?
Hmm. Not bad.
Not bad, no?
It's actually great.
When it comes together, it'll be better.
Who should take the credit for it? Me or
You.
Half half. We did the job together. And then it was my turn.
Keep your hand on top. Wait. Keep turning. Keep turning. Are you through? See?
Not bad. I'm
Not
surprised
bad.
myself.
Okay, this is the last bit.
Is this the perk of making your cake that you get to eat some of it too?
Yes. Like if there's excess, why would you put in the dustbin? You'd rather put it in your mouth, right?
Right. Then the saying is wrong.
What?
You can bake your cake and have it too.
You don't eat the finished cake, you eat parts of it.
In the process, you're still eating the cake, so that still counts. The next step was to layer the cake.
Now put this. Like this.
This.
You just like
What is that?
dab it. Syrup.
Oh. What if I just pour the entire thing into this?
We'll probably die of sugar high.
I'm very curious to try it, but I don't want to mess up with it. That was the first layer done.
Now you can put this in this.
Okay. So I just have to pour it into this, right?
Yeah. Bus. Because this will be so heavy
Mhm.
that if they eat excess of this, they will probably go mad. So the deal with bento cakes is it's a small cake, no?
Yes.
So your cream cannot be more than your cake. And because it has only 2 layers, your cream in the middle should be equal, should be enough
Mm-hmm.
to cover up for both the top layer and the bottom layer. So this we will just flip it on the top, okay?
Okay. So that it's flat on both sides, right?
Yes. Now put the syrup again.
Picasso time. Pour the entire thing.
Drink that and see. No, try.
No, thank you.
Okay, so now you just put this because yours is a white color cake, right?
Now that the cake was frosted and ready, it was time to get to decorating.
How's your dumbbell has 2 circles in the side and the
Yeah,
rod in the middle,
yeah.
right? So we'll just roll this out a little. And we want it to be thick, so we can't like really thin it down because they're
Mhm.
thick dumbbells. Now you just press through it from a distance. And for the sides also, please.
Got a little carried away in the process. But it was finally ready, and it turned out better than I thought it would. Finally, the only thing remaining was to show up to their place, deliver the cake, and celebrate.
Hey, just wanted to send you a voice note. I completely forgot to tell you how much I enjoyed the cake. Maybe I was too busy munching it down to let you know how it was, but I really, really enjoyed it. As did Kajol, she loved it too. I mean, I don't even like cakes, and I enjoyed this one so much. So, thank you so much. And the clever caption on top was, well, metaphorical cherry on top. It was really, really wonderful. I don't know what magic you and Drishti spun, but it was really tasty. Hopefully, more to come soon.
And that was the cake. But you know the drill. Gotta give credit where it's due. Thank you so much for helping me out with the cake. The cake looks beautiful. Before we cut, why don't you tell us about what you do, how people can find you?
Okay, so you can find me on Instagram in the name of Kara, Kara by Drishti Batija, or you can take my number from him and DM me. No, don't do that. And
Yeah, I'll link a Instagram
yeah, you can
in
add
the
a link to the
description.
Instagram.
Yes.
Yeah. And if
Yeah.
you want to come and bake before you propose to a girl, you know where to come.
For the record, I'm not proposing.
Yeah, he's
I'm
not.
just-
He's not proposing. He's giving. But in case you want to, you
Yeah,
can do that.
she can help you out. Check out her Instagram. She bakes great cakes. I just tried the tres leches. That tastes amazing. And a lot of other things. She showed me an entire catalog that went on and on forever. But yeah, any baking things that you require, you know who to hit up.
Yeah.
Awesome. Hold up. One last thing before I go. Pushing Kajol, I love you guys so much. And I can't wait to dance my ass off at your wedding. As for the rest of you, tune in again next week for side quest number 4.